Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share something a bit different to what we normally look at, which is about earning money online, working from home, etc. Now in this video I'm actually going to share with you how you can earn double money every time that you're shopping online. So essentially it is earning online, but it's free money and it's using free tools and resources. Now what I'm going to share with you, I'll walk you through the first method and then I'll share with you the second method. And it's pretty awesome because look, I don't know where you are in the world, but over here in the UK, the cost of living is just getting ridiculous, as we can see down here. Look, so cost of living, 2-child families paying £400 more a month. Energy prices expected to go up, and I'm sure it's a very similar story where you are. I mean, comment down below. Is the cost of living where you are just being, getting ridiculous? It certainly is over here. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually get paid for, shopping online. Just simple things like doing your weekly food shop or, buying products or, services and other things, because it doesn't take long and you can earn some, relatively easy, simple money. So let me share with you a couple of websites and how I am earning pretty much double every time I'm shopping online. So the first one is this website over here, and it's called Kidstart. Now you can see here, in here, I have actually saved £121. And here's the cool thing. I literally have done nothing different to how I normally shop online. And you can see here, these are my recent ones. So here I earned £3.98, I earned £2.64 here, and many more. Now look, there's hundreds of these websites available. I know Quidco, there's Top Cashback, there's different ones. Basically just type in cashback sites for your country and it will bring up a huge list. Now I use this one because I've trialed, funnily enough, I've trialed and tested a number of these, but why I like this one is essentially this money that I'm saving here will, it just goes into a kid's savings account. So you can go over to the website. I'll put a link to this down below. You can sign up for free. Now the reason why I love this is, you see up here, it's got this link here, Kidstart. So when I'm about to go shopping online, so do my weekly food shop, I click on here. And I can just type in the where I'm going to shop. So for example, if I was going to Tesco, I just type this in. Oh, hang on. I type in Tesco like this, hit on search, and then it brings up, and I can see here from Tesco's, look, Tesco groceries, I currently can earn up to 10% back for literally clicking on here. So all I do is I literally click there, click on shop now, takes me over to the website, and then basically I'm earning cash back for shopping online. So I'm already going to be doing the weekly food shop. Why wouldn't I just click on there and open it up, and it takes what, less than 20 seconds. I'm on here and I'm earning money back. Straightforward and simple. And look, this doesn't just work with Tesco's, it works with Amazon, it works with eBay, and thousands of online retailers. So if I click on here and I just type in, well, you can see here, look, eBay, 0, but let me just show you this. I'll click on shop. That's taking me over to eBay, and look, you can see here, eBay. And what, 15% of eBay revenue for all your kids' purchase, 1% back on all purchases. So basically, again, if you're going to shop on eBay, I just click on there, click the link, and it takes me over to eBay, and I earn money. Straightforward and simple, I think you will agree. Now, here is a little cool thing, how I'm actually earning double every time I'm shopping online. So I downloaded the app here, this Kidstart. I click in, where I'm going to shop, I click on search, and then I click on shop now. Once I'm on the the site and I'm going to check out or pay, I actually pay with here. Now this is, and let me show you the home page so you can see this really quickly, because again, this is free. This is called Cryptocom. Now don't worry, I'm not telling you you're going to have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or any products like that. This is essentially a cashback card. So if you come over here to where it says products and we go to metal Visa cards, that takes you through to this page over here, and you can see where's that gone? It's come back. Get paid up to 8%, and there's no annual fees using this. So if I scroll down here, I'll show you this. So they have a number of different cards. Now don't let the 8% impress you, because to get 8% back you would need in the UK 300 grand. So if you're in the US, that'd be about 440,000, something like that, to get 8% cash back. Now at this moment in time, I have this one here, the Ruby Seal, which is 2% cash back every time I'm shopping online, and there's a 1% over here. Now this card here is absolutely free. Now you see this one here, which is £300. I pay when I first got this about blimey, about 18 months ago, I paid £300 for this. So, you know, it's not cheap. But that being said, this here, if I show you this really quickly, you get this back after 6 months. And basically all I did here is I give them £300 as a stake, and then after 6 months they return it back to you, and then you get to keep your money obviously and the card, but I'm also earning 2%. Okay, so if you don't have any money, you can just go with the free one, which is this one over here. You can see it's 0 and you will get 1% cash back. And if I scroll down here, you can see they also have benefits. So this one that I've got here, you can see Spotify. If I click on here, I actually get, look, a reimbursement of $13.99 every month for Spotify, and it goes along. So obviously, you know, the higher up the card you've got, you get more perks. So you can see here there's Netflix, there's Amazon Prime, Airbnb, and many more. But you know, I said this is free, so you can go ahead and get the Midnight Blue card, which is free, and you will get 1% cash back on all of your shopping. And you're also getting cash back from downloading this app over here, or whichever cashback app you're using. So you know, it's not going to earn you a lot of money, but essentially it's free money, isn't it? Because we're getting paid from Kidstart for using their affiliate link, and we're also getting paid from Cryptocom over here for using their card. Now, the reason why I use this card and recommend it, unlike a credit card with this one over here, you fund the money yourself. So what that means is, this Ruby Steel card here, every month I upload some money onto the card using the app, and then I just use the card shopping like literally just like a normal bank card. I can't go overdrawn with this because, you know, it doesn't allow you to do that. But every time I'm using this, I am earning 2% from every online shop that I'm doing, or wherever I'm spending it. So that's just two ways you can actually get paid for shopping online, and it doesn't take long at all. So in terms of this Kidstart over here, or any one of these you go with, you download it or you create an account. Once you've got this, you then use the little icon up here. And in terms of this cashback card over here, you come onto the website and you decide which one you want, select it, fill in your information, you know, name, address, etc., and they will send it out to you. And then once you've got that, you just activate it and you use it just like a normal card, like you normally would do. And you know, it's straightforward and it's simple. So as an example, if I was to go ahead and do a Tesco shop here, you know, do a weekly food shop as an example, how much were they paying here? They were paying, I think it said it was 10%. Did it? 10%? Tesco, let's have a quick look. We can see here, look, up to 10%, so I can get up to 10% here, higher rate ending soon, and then also with the card over here, the Ruby Steel, 2%. So from something I'm going to do anyway, I'm potentially earning 12% back from an online shop. Straightforward, simple, and I think you'll agree it's easy money. Now, you could take it a step further and, you know, sign up to things like Nectar cards or reward cards. So, for example, over on this website here, this Tesco ones, every time you shop online, you get points and you can redeem those. You can redeem those points for different prizes. Same on eBay, they have the Nectar scheme, and you know, depending on which country you're in, I'm sure again you can find different, you know, things that you can use. So look, that's today's video. It's coming up to 8 minutes. It's not a very long video, but look, it's a simple and it's definitely an easy way to start earning some money for things that you're already doing. So I will drop a link to these down below. If you want to check out Kidstart, you can go and check this out. I'll drop a link to Cryptos. I'll drop the correct link over here so you can go straight over to the cards and have a look at this. And yeah, it's, you know, are you doing this yourself? Are you using any of these websites? Have you found a better one? Comment down below and let me know. I'd be interested. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.